a demonstration of auto irrigation using soil moisture sensing project. So this is an enhanced system that automatically provides the irrigation facility without the farmer's intervention, because this system uses moisture sensor which is to be mounted in the soil. It senses the moisture content of the soil, and if it is below a certain level, it starts irrigation using this pump here. This pump is used to supply water for irrigation, and if the moisture content goes above a particular level, the system stops the water supply to this pump, and thus the irrigation stops there. So for this purpose we are using an 8051 family microcontroller here. The microcontroller is interfaced to the motor as well as the sensor, the moisture sensor, and an LCD display for displaying the status of the system, as well as it's connected through a transformer. The 12-volt transformer is used to supply power to the system, and the microcontroller switches the motor using this relay here. So let's see how the system works. So now let's turn on the system. So now the system has been turned on, and as you can see, since the sensor is inserted in water, it's detecting high moisture content there, and so it's not turning on the irrigation since the moisture is already high in soil. So let's do one thing. Let's remove the sensor out of the water, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, as the moisture content was low, it has started irrigation, it has started the process, and the motor has started. And now once we inserted again water, it detected that the moisture content is gone high, that the water supply, enough water has been supplied to the field, and thus it stops the pump. And let's check it once again. So as you can see, the system automatically provides the irrigation facility at a field by checking the moisture content without any intervention by a human. So this is how the project works. Thank you.